Give a quick tutorial telling you about some different things that could help you refine your website. Now, what I have on this page is not my real home page, but I put on a bunch of extra elements in here just to kind of show you what you can do if you wanted to do some more creative types of things and do some interactions. All right, so I'm just in Elementor. Here is my home page, and so I've just created here. First I have a basic container that has 3 columns in it. And what I can do with each column is I can give it some directions about how I want it to come into my page. Either right now the default is just that when people come onto your page that all these elements would just be there, but I can go to advanced and go to motion effects to give it some things to do. So in this case I have told it to fade in from the left, and so when I do that, let me just show, well, let me first of all tell you this. I have to fade in from the left. I have this one set up to fade in from the right. You saw that just happen. And so I just go again to advanced and motion effects, and I have the entrance animation to fade in from the right. And I can tell it to happen normal time, or I can change the timing. I can make it delay, so this one comes first, this one comes in second. Then I have this container where I have my logo, and on this one I have an entrance effect as well, and it is the ta-da one. So let's just take a look at the different things you can do. So we could have something like a swing. We could have, this is what I chose, the ta-da, and jello. So there's all different types of things you can do here. There's a lot in this menu. You can play with them, see if you like any of them. For now, I'm just going to go with that ta-da.